What's up, guys? Miriam here. We are in Hollywood. Do y'all see how many homeless people is on the street? Lost his mind. He needs to get off drugs. Whatever he's on. More trash.
Let's take this out.
Jeez. 2 men. That's a lot of. Can you get a bag?
93. Safe. Place your item in the bagging area.
What's up, guys? Miriam here. We are in Hollywood in LA. It's late at night. I usually don't go out this late, but I'm out and I'm awake and I'm heading to CVS, and I wanted you guys to follow me along so you can see LA and what it's looking like during the pandemic. Do y'all see how many homeless people is on the streets out here? The city is basically still shut down out here in Hollywood. Oh my God. Everything just looks dirtier than normal. It's terrible. Look at the streets. Oh my gosh, it's just trashy. Hollywood's got some people out. Kind of. That bar's open over there. CVS. In Holly. Weird. So I'm gonna get this. And I need some to be glue. Can you get a bag?
93. Safe. Place your item in the bagging area.
Oh. We lost his mind.
Let's stay off of it.
He needs to get off drugs. Whatever he's on. This is the Hollywood Boulevard. And it's looking. Wow, look at the Chinese theater. What in the world happened? Why do they have chairs out here? Like it's a lounging area. Oh my gosh, this is looking really strange. This Capital One Cafe, they done changed a lot of stuff. Remember when hey y'all, remember when I was out here last year? Where is it at? I'm about to find it. Remember Trump was out here and got vandalized. They put it back. Let me see, can I find it? There you go. They fixed it. More trash.
Let's take this out.
Jeez. 2 men. That's a lot. Look. We're going to deliver some food. I'm getting my hair done. I'm getting my hair done. Y'all can see it when it's done. It's not done. The final result. This is what the back is looking like. All this length. Yes, sir. I'll show you the front when my face is done up right now. I have no makeup on. Back to the rant. I'm basically trying to find out why my posts were taken down and then they popped back up magically. I didn't take them down. I didn't even put them back up. So my question to you guys, I need help. And then like 2 days passed and they were posted back up. So If anyone knows what that is that Instagram admin coming in and taking your post down, or is that hacking? Because like, I just found that really weird. If anybody knows, please respond to this post, DM me or comment below something, letting me know if you've heard of anything like this. Alright guys, so it's the end of the night, it's the next day, and this is the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching. If there's anything you want to see in the future, please let me know, comment below. Good night.